People really get into piercings, tugging on them, doing things with them.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What about those guys who hang by hooks in their backs?
That's a fetish for sure, and that is weird.
Garden color from the ground up. Start with the ground. Vigoro colored mulch at the Home Depot. Right now, a special buy. 5 bags, just $10. It protects.
At the theater, people just don't seem to be interested right now. I mean, it has to be one of those bigger-than-life movies.
Right.
I mean, why don't you want to go to the theater?
Well, in all fairness, I'm not a theater fan anyway and never have been.
Your ears around this one from Wage War, Gravity, and Octane Accelerator.
We used to have it all. It was us against the world. But now I've been sleeping on my own.
Reaches 93% of Americans each week. That's more than TV, Facebook, and Google. Put that in your dragon and smoke it. Radio reaches more adults, teens, and even millennials. So if you're a marketer, get the most of your marketing dollar. Talk to the folks who dethroned TV. Go to iHeartMedia.com for the one place you can reach everybody. AM/FM radio.
Okay, children.
Household users do you have? How many devices are you operating? And what kind of activities are going on? Are you FaceTiming with the family, keeping up to date with high school friends on Facebook? Fidelity will help keep you connected without...
Oh, wow. Dang.
That's our next step.
Regions Bank. Member FDIC. Paid appearance by an actual Regions customer telling her real story.
99-cent drinks till 11 a.m. Now at Sonic. Start your day off the right way by making Sonic your morning drink stop. Get your favorite large drink for only 99 cents from open until 11 a.m. every day. Order a strawberry slide.
course, in some circumstances, divorce is unavoidable. In either case, if you're a man facing a crisis in your marriage, let us help you at Cordell & Cordell. Remember, we're the partner men can count on.
The attorneys at Cordell & Cordell work to help men maximize.
Dude, you can go.